बट आज 13 months हुआ है इंसिडेंट के बाद, सुशांत के बाद। एंड मुझे पता है कि आज बहुत सारे शायद प्रोटेस्ट हो रहे हैं एंड डिजिटल प्रोटेस्ट हो रहे हैं। तो इन माई ओन वे आई वॉन्टेड टू काइंड ऑफ बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट इन दिस वे। तो इसलिए मैंने सोचा कि आके कुछ चीज़ें एटलीस्ट बताऊँ, शायद अपने आप को मोटिवेट करने के लिए इन अ वे कि हम लोग हमेशा इसके लिए फाइट करते रहेंगे, जस्टिस के लिए। और अभी ये जो जस्टिस का जो ये है वो एक 302 हमारा जो ग्लोबल डिमांड बन गया है कि 302 डालने के लिए एसएसआर के केस में। और इसके लिए हम लड़ते रहेंगे, हम कभी क्विट नहीं करेंगे। और ये सबको जान लेना चाहिए, everybody has to understand, whether it's the agencies, politicians, everybody, that just remember one thing, that all the SSRians, warriors who are fighting for justice, they are not blind followers of SSR. कोई भी SSR के ब्लाइंड फॉलोअर्स नहीं है, हम लोग सब जस्टिस के ब्लाइंड फॉलोअर्स है। एंड दैट इज वाई वी आर फाइटिंग दिस। क्योंकि कोई भी आके हमारे यूथ को या बच्चों को ऐसे नहीं कर सकता कि just because they are powerful, they just kill in the open like that and just get away with it. And we are feeling so helpless. It's been 13 months and we are feeling like so helpless with regards to this. So that is why we are never going to quit, and they should never underestimate us, no matter what, जितना लोग आपस में लड़े झगड़े कुछ भी, but we will not stop. एंड मुझे ये भी पता है कि जब हमने शुरू किया था, जब शायद हम लोग सब अकेले ही थे जब शुरू किया था, तो 1 साल में बहुत कुछ हुआ है सबके साथ। एंड एवरीबडी हैज रियलाइज्ड इन देयर ओन वे, या कुछ ना कुछ चीजें हुए हैं एक दूसरे के साथ। बट फिर भी इन द एंड, again after a year, if you find yourself alone, it is okay, because you started it alone, you started the justice fight alone, and you will keep still fighting it. So अगर किसी को ऐसा भी फील हो रहा है या डिजेक्टेड फील हो रहा है किसी चीज से कि कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, क्या क्या करे करके, डोंट फील लाइक दैट ऑल्सो। We will still keep fighting, we will still keep exposing. Like SSR has become a revolution right now. Our eyes are open, our eyes are open. We are seeing a lot of things in a very different way that I probably would not have seen that way a year back. Right now everything to me looks different, and this is just, that's why I say SSR is revolution, because it's just like magic that he has created. That me not being a fan of SSR, me not watching his movies, but still I am so like connected with this justice. And that is because we are fighting for humanity here. This is humanity we are fighting for. We are fighting against these judicial systems that allow for all this. The people who have to actually be protecting, like the lawmakers or the people who have to protect law, are the ones who are actually breaking law here, are the ones who are destroying evidence. Then what else can we expect from anybody else, right? So that is why this fight becomes excuse me, this fight becomes very important for us right now, that we stay together at least in the fight. बिकॉज ये अभी बहुत ज़रूरी हो गया है। अगर हम लोग 1% भी चेंज देखना चाहते हैं, वेदर इट इज़ जुडिशियल सिस्टम्स में या कुछ भी, द वे एवरीथिंग वर्क्स विद पावरफुल पीपल, जस्ट बिकॉज दे आर पावरफुल एंड दे हैव मनी, दे कैन डू एनीथिंग, it should not be that way. And that it can be changed. In other countries it is different. The country where I am staying, it is different. That means there is a possibility that हम अपने देश में भी ये ऐसा चेंज लाए। तो अगर हमें 1% भी लाना है तो हमें अभी क्विट कभी नहीं करना है। ये जब तक जस्टिस नहीं मिलेगा, हम ऐसे ही इन सब के बारे में बातें करते रहेंगे, इन सबको एक्सपोज करते रहेंगे और एक दूसरे एंगल से सबको देखते रहेंगे। एंड वी आर गोइंग टू कीप आई ऑन एवरीबडी, we are going to keep our eyes on, and we are going to be so strong, and even digitally we're going to be so strong everywhere. Our presence has to be there, whether it's on the road, whether it's on digitally, whether it's on Twitter, whether it's on YouTube, whether it's on TikTok, anywhere, right? Everywhere you see right now, it is all SSR. And that is how it needs to keep going until we get justice. Because always remember, it is not just for SSR. We are not doing it just for SSR or Disha. We know that how many lives have lost with them, and tomorrow it can be your child, it can be anybody. So that's why our demand, yes, 302, yes, KR 302 for all those murderers, yes. And that is what we will keep demanding, no matter who brings us down, no matter who tells us, which politician comes, which lawyer comes and tells. No, we will keep demanding it until we get justice. I know it's easy for me to sit here and tell, but at least because it's easy for me, I will tell it sitting here, that that I will keep fighting, right? So everybody, don't get demotivated. Just let's keep fighting. Let's keep our unity and be together, at least in the fight. No matter how much disagreements people have in between them when it comes to things, but our goal is one. So we will keep fighting. So I just came on just to kind of be a part of whatever the digital protest is going on today. Or I also saw some people who have probably gone on road, and I'm not someone who will show like, okay, SSR photo and do that. I don't regard anybody as God is above everybody, so I'm not going to think in that way. So इसलिए मेरे पास कोई फोटो नहीं है कि मैं फोटो डाल के आपको दिखाऊं कि SSR, because I am here to fight for justice for all. I am here to fight with the system itself. I am here for that, and that is what we need to continue doing, so that एक और SSR के साथ ऐसा नहीं हो, एक और दिशा के साथ ऐसा नहीं हो, या जिया का ऐसा एक और जिया खान नहीं हो. That is what our fight should be. That's why I said we are not blind followers of the stars, or even we are not blind followers of SSR. We are just blindly going to follow justice. That's all we're going to do.